I bought a few collectibles recently, and it just arrived. So I'll open it up. We'll see what's inside. I know it's one of the cool stuffs. So we'll see what it is. Sorry, I was holding the mobile. So here you go. This is where I bought it from Gladius. And see. Gladius.com, and I have 20% off for the next order. So nice, thank you, Gladius. Here you go. Oh, it's also in a nice pocket. So wow, very nice. And to think, I bought this one just for a cheap one. So oh, here we go. This is what I bought. This is a replica of the Ides of March. It's a replica coin. So it is very iconic because it's from the reign of Julius Caesar. I think this was when he was assassinated. So this coin attributes to him. See the two daggers and a helmet, and the letterings Ides of March, Ides of Mar. Very nice. I bought very cheap, and it comes in a nice bag. Very nice. So if you're in New Zealand, Gladius is one of a place to buy stuff. Very nice. Shopgladius.com. Thank you.